The learning management system that we are going to use to deliver content and any kind of assessment is called Schoology. So you're going to want to open your browser and go to Schoology.com, and you should find a screen that looks like this. I'm going to sign up as a student. On the Facebook page is the access code, so you can copy it and then paste it in. It's going to prompt you to put your information in. I'm just going to make up kind of a dummy account here. Once you register, Schoology should bring you right to our course. So you can see here, because we use the access code, it knows what course to put you in. Here is kind of anything recent that has been posted, or you can go to the course dashboard. If you had more than one course you were signed up for, you would see all of them here. So if you click on Dynamic Math, you will see that there are some tabs down the sides. The Materials tab is where you're going to be able to find folders where the notes will be and any homeworks, video lessons, assessments, and then there's the Updates tab, and this is where I can post updates, or if you have questions or want to communicate with any of the other people that are taking the course, you can put an update in here also. The interface of this is very similar to Facebook, so a lot of people tend to transition into using this really easily, and this is where all of your information will be. The other software that you should sign up for is actually through your telephone. You're going to sign up for Remind. I'm going to kind of zoom in on here a little bit. I know I downloaded this. I'm going to see if I can download this again. This is the invite information. You are going to text to the number 81010 the phrase @DYN math, and if you do that, then every time I would send a message up to the cloud that new content has been posted, it will send you a text message. You don't have to sign up for this, but it's kind of a nice little extra thing to keep everybody on task.